Is it raining? 'Cause I feel something falling on my head. Where do you want me to go? I'd rather be home instead. Is it raining? 'Cause it's dark and it's gray and I don't want to go outside. Is it dangerous? The rain won't stop till the water reaches my eyes. If I go with you, it gets so loud that I want to die. I want to tear my ears off. Maybe that's better than laying here and telling a lie. Is it dark yet? 'Cause this day should end now, and I'm getting tired. Am I alone yet? Or are you awake, wondering if I'm alright? I lay here, sound is filling my ears, and I sit there. Somebody is pulling my hair. I am deflated, my body has run out of air. Everything's pushed away, I cannot do enough. I'm yelling and screaming, my body is lying on the bed. It's going too fast for me, I need to clear my head. So I run here. There is nowhere that is near, and I still go far away. I will get over it, happens just once in a while. Why is it raining? Was it something I said? Is something happening?